Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. So, we'll discuss in this class riverboat problem, riverboat concept, how we have to apply for the given problem easily. So, whenever boat is going to cross the river from one end to another end, A to B, if river is going to flow towards the right side with velocity VR. Now, if we are reaching B, other bank of the river, boat is going to start like this, let us assume. So instead of reaching B, it is going to reach C. Correct? Because of this river velocity, boat will reach C. So to reach exactly B, what this boat person will do means he will make some angle with horizon. So this boat is going to start like this. So whenever this boat is going to start like this, velocity of the boat will be in this direction. Okay. How much angle it is going to make with the vertical? It is going to make with the vertical theta. With the vertical, it is going to be theta. But with the horizontal, it is going to be 90 plus theta. Please remember that. 90 plus, because this is going to be 90 degrees. Okay. Now, this VB you can resolve into two components. So, one is VB cos theta. Another one is VB sin theta. So, now, VB cos theta in the direction of A to B. So what is this distance from A to B? We will take means generally y or small d derivative. So this distance small d is covering with VB cos theta. Therefore, how much time is going to reach opposite position means other bank of the river means velocity VB cos theta is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by VB cos theta. This is the formula. So how much minimum time it is going to cross? They will ask in question. In what minimum time? Minimum time taken to cross the river. What is the minimum time taken means? If time want to be minimum, what is the denominator? Denominator should be maximum. If it is maximum, then only it is going to be, when this is going to be maximum means cos 01, cos 90, 0. Therefore, when it will be maximum means cos 0. Cos 0 means theta should be 0. If theta is 0, t by VB cos 0. So, T minimum formula you have to use d by VB. This is the formula for minimum time taken. Just by using this one. This one we gave VR. This one we gave VB. And what is the VB cos theta? This component along velocity along the AB. How they are going to write whenever they are using this formula? We came to know triangle VB square equal to VR square plus VB cos theta square. So like that also you will get, isn't it? So let us assume we came to know triangle ACB, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. From that formula you are going to get what is VB cos theta. Next. Now instead of reaching B, let us assume it is reaching C. Instead of reaching B, let us assume it is reaching C. So if it is reaching C, this is going to be horizontal distance x. So this BC or horizontal distance only, we will say drift, small displacement, small change in position we will call drift. Correct? So this is nothing but x we are assuming. X is which distance? Horizontal distance. For horizontal distance, we will take velocity in horizontal direction. In horizontal direction, we have total two velocities. One is river velocity, another one is which component? VB sin theta. Now, what is the effective velocity along horizontal direction? We have to see. So, will you do VB sin theta minus VR? VB sin theta minus VR. Otherwise, VR minus VB sin theta. This is a small confusion some people may have. We will clarify. If it is VB sin theta is more, then boat will not go C. It will be going in this direction. Here, river velocity is more, therefore river is going to bring up to C. Therefore, we have to take so VR minus VB sin theta. So VR minus VB sin theta velocity equal to distance by time. How much time it is taking to cross other side means this is the formula. Already we derived. Therefore, x is equal to VR minus VB sin theta into t. The t is nothing but d by VB cos theta. This is the drift formula. Okay. So our aim is to move opposite bank, correct? Opposite bank means B. So if it wanted to reach B, x should become 0, correct? Drift should become 0, then it is going to reach exactly opposite position. So to reach opposite position, exactly opposite position, or drift should become 0. What is the condition means? X should be 0. If x is 0, what you will get? VR minus VB sin theta is 0. VB sin theta equal to VR. So sin theta is equal to VR by VB. So with how much angle it has to be started means velocity of river by velocity of boat. So velocity of river in this direction. Velocity of boat started like this. How much angle it should be vertical means with vertical means sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. VR by VB. So you will get problem either this concept with how much angle it has to be started with horizontal or vertical. With horizontal means with vertical we are getting, with horizontal means we have to do 90 plus theta. Correct? So with horizontal, how much angle means? So here theta is going to be sin inverse VR by VB. So with horizontal means, so 90 plus theta. Alpha is equal to 90 plus theta. So 90 plus sin inverse VR by VB or pi by 2 plus sin inverse VR by VB. So anyway, first if you remember these formulas, so one is drift formula. To reach opposite position, drift should become 0, means horizontal distance should become 0. Let us assume if it is reaching C. Now what is the resultant displacement? What is the resultant displacement means? So A to B is what we give? Y or D. B to C is X. Then what is the resultant displacement means? S is equal to root of y square plus x square. You calculated x from here, isn't it? But in NEET, last 4 years, 5 years, they are not asking on this concept. Okay. So this is how to apply the formula for riverboat concept. After reading the problem, which equation you have to apply, you should do very careful. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.